different institutions having using different textbooks.
A vibrant display of creativity unfolded as hundreds of youth and students participated in a painting competition during the first phase of the district-level event in Bhoi district. The competition served as a noteworthy aspect of the International Water Conclave held at the district library in Nongpo. M.B. Tongper, Additional Deputy Commissioner of Bhoi District, revealed that various district-level competitions including painting, quiz, public service announcements and slogan writing are scheduled from February 3rd at the Science Hall. The winners of these competitions will earn the opportunity to represent the district at the state level during the International Water Conclave on February 9th and 10th, 2024 in Shillong.
There are many series of competitions which will be held, and today we're having the painting competition. This is the first phase which is done at the district level, and the finals will be done at the state level. There are other 4 programs which we have been told of. This is the public service announcement, the slogan writing, and the quiz competition. Most of these competitions are open to all except the quiz competition, which one part of it will be held with the schools and the colleges. This will be on the 3rd of February at 11 a.m. in the district science hall, Nongpo.